It's going to collapse. Wow.
Somewhere there might be another one.
Yeah, I know. Stay in the middle of the road, mate. Don't know. I don't know. I don't think so. Where did it? Oh, it's the top, man.
Yeah, it's
Oh my God.
I live in an apartment building on the ground floor, and I felt above me noises and things shaking and moving. I wasn't quite sure until I felt the glass on the windows begin to shake.
Oh my God! Oh my God!
I was in my kitchen and I felt the microwave and the fridge behind me start to shake. I didn't quite know how long the shaking was going to go on for or how bad it was going to get. I went outside and the glass in the building around me was shaking and it was very scary. Afterwards, when I came back inside, there was children in the apartments above me crying and a lot of noises, and people were quite scared. My neighbour from upstairs came down to check on me. He asked me if I was okay, which was really lovely.
We learned of the earthquake which has occurred in Mansfield in Victoria. Geosciences provide us with the advice of a record of 6 with aftershocks of 5.5, 4 and 4. Very disturbing event for an earthquake of this nature. They are very rare events in Australia, and as a result I'm sure people would have been quite distressed and disturbed by that, particularly in the most immediate area affected.